Hello, this is our very hot selling model AL501. It features in 3-in-1 smart lock, doorbell, camera, video, and smart lock. So, I will show you how many methods to unlock the door. The first is the password, very simple. Yes, very simple. And
Unlocked.
if you think it is very inconvenient, you just put your finger
Verification failed.
to unlock it. And you can use the application.
Verification succeeded.
Yes, unlock the door directly. And there is the doorbells here. When you ring the doorbell, you can get the notifications directly through your phone. And then you can have the videos from here. It is 180 degree. The iFish. What I love this model is you can have the two-way audio.
Locked.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
And when you can have a full video to check what situations in front of your door. And then, oh, it's the client. Unlock the door for the phone very easily.
Verification.
You can have the real-time video. Not need to ring the doorbell. You just go to have the real-time video. Yes, and it is the PIR detection. Like if there are somebody walk in front of your door, you will get the notification. You can get the notification here. When it detects who stands in front of your door for a long time, it will record a video to send through your phone. So you can check who stands in front of a door. And you can download the videos to your phone as well. And you can check the video is very clear, right? Because it is 2K resolution. And you can also to set the motion detection. Like if you don't like to detect the animal or the vehicle, you just choose this. Anthropomorphic detection, which just detect the human beings who motions in front of your camera, and also the detection sensitive and the active area. Yes. And it can also have the auto reply. We can image the situation that you go out for the holiday, and you can set here, and you can choose. I'm sorry, I can't open the door right now. When somebody ring the doorbell, and you can auto reply.
Sorry, I can't open the door now.
Yes. So it's very smart, very smart. Okay, and also the power management, the saving models. So there are a lot of functions for here. And you can also choose the motion, night vision. Even at night, this video camera can take the video Yes. So you can see from here, if the light is very dark, it will get gray. And it can also pictures who stand the situations in front of the door. And also you can manage the fingerprint, manage the password, and share the device. So you can add your friend's account IDs here, and then he can use his phone to have the access to enter your home. Okay, and this is the front of this door, and we can go to the back side of this door lock. One press unlock and one press lock. And what is and you can use it manually. And the battery is very interesting. This is the 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery. So you can check here. This is the USB-C connector. You can charge it. Very convenient. Okay. Yes. Very convenient. Okay. The materials of this product is the zinc alloy. It's very, very strong rather than the aluminum. Okay, thank you.